We welcome all of you as stakeholders within the Santa Ana River watershed. From afar, our watershed is both broad and looks relatively uncomplicated. From the mountains through the valleys, from the floodplains to the ocean, our watershed is full of challenges and opportunities. Looking back on the watershed's rich history, we can see the transformation from a wild, untamed river to an extremely productive agricultural empire. From this agricultural base evolved a mix of urban growth, economic vitality, agriculture, and environmental habitat, all of which now must find a way to coexist. We have all but tamed the river's natural power and influence through concrete channels, basins, and dams. The floodplains have been dramatically reduced over time by our efforts. However, the watershed approach to the Santa Ana River is demanding much more of us. We are all challenged to do more with this extraordinary resource. This watershed provides us the opportunity to further strengthen the region's water quality, reliability of supplies, financial strength, and stewardship of our environment. We at RBF have had the opportunity to be an integral part of the Chino and Arlington desalter projects. When complete, these projects will deliver over 45,000 acre-feet of water a year to hundreds of thousands of citizens. However, just as important is the fact that these desalination facilities are also cleaning up the legacy of decades of groundwater pollution while providing for increased use of recycled water, expanded groundwater recharge, and groundwater storage. These projects represent the best of all of you and what you do. The ability to come together, challenge each other, and have a long-range perspective. We can be environmentally and fiscally responsible without predispositions or prejudice in support of the better good. We applaud SAWPA for this success and your ability to join forces to the challenges ahead. Our broad watershed that was naturally so simple is growing up. As it matures, it becomes more complex. Our water supplies to the region include importation, groundwater, recycled water, and desalination. Although conservation of water is critical and ever important, it can only take us so far. The watershed's population is anticipated to grow from 5 million to 7 million by the year 2020. We have an extraordinary responsibility to meet their needs. Over time, we have created many boundaries overlying the watershed. 4 counties, nearly 70 cities, numerous supervisorial and legislative districts, dozens of special agencies, economic competition, regulatory objectives, the list goes on and on. We have a challenge to overcome those boundaries. The watershed has brought you all together in this time and in this place to meet this challenge. To combine our resources, our intellect, our passions, to take a full watershed approach and adopt a new water ethic for the 21st century. You are all here today to join arm in arm with SAWPA and its member agencies and each of the stakeholders you see side by side to accomplish great things. This watershed, as do all watersheds, deserves our stewardship. We can overcome boundaries.